Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to favorite TikTok sounds. So let's just open the application, and I want to add this song to my favorites because I like it and I want to use it for future videos. So what I'm going to do now is click on the circle above the Me button, the circle that has the cover of the sound right here. And as you can see, there's a lot of videos that uses this sound, and I just want to add to favorites. It's just above the videos right here, and now it is added to my favorites. And now I'm going to show you the 3 ways on how you can use the sound on your video. And right now there is a use this sound button on the very bottom of the page. And now I'm just going to press use this sound. And as you can see now, the sound is on the top of the page. It's unclear, but you can see it on the top of your screen. See you again, piano arrangement. And this is the first way on how to do it. The second way is I'm just going to go back to my profile, just the bottom right corner that says me, and I'm going to click on the favorites button, which is the button is shaped like a bookmark, and it is next to the Instagram icon. And if you don't have the Instagram icon, it is next to the edit profile icon. So I'm just going to press on that. And there are 3 options: videos, hashtags, and sounds. And I'm going to press on the sounds button. And here is the sound that I saved just now. And to make a video with that sound, I'm just going to press on that really long time, and the shoot with the sound button will show up, and I'm just going to press on that. And now the sound is here, and I can shoot a video with the sound. Lastly, I'm just going to press on this middle bottom button, the one that has a plus on it, right here. And as you can see on the top, it says sounds. There it is. It says sounds at the top on the very middle, and you're just going to want to press on that. And after that, you're just going to want to press on favorites right here on the right. And the sound will be there, and I'm just going to press on the sound. And as you can see, there is a checklist button on the right. Just going to press that. And it's now going to be on your video when you record it. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.